With Vader.
Yeah.
Two of them. That is so cool. We have so put a Tank Angel any outfit on here. We can put on that on his head too. Get out! Ooh! Ow! They get